Hello everybody and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you curried duck. Also I'm going to be doing a seasoned rice to accompaniment with it. I hope you like this one. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. We do get back to you on most of them. As many as we can answer, we will answer, so don't think you're being ignored. And I hope you all enjoy this one. So we're going to show you our list of ingredients, what we're going to be using for today. Right, our list of ingredients for today are, we've got some chopped onions, we've got some mixed veg, we've got some garlic, some fresh ginger and a bit of Scotch Bonnet. We've got one red pepper, got some carrots, got spring onion, got some fresh thyme, got some curry powder, got an onion, got some all-purpose seasoning, some dried thyme and some flavour enhancer. I've got some paprika, some jerk seasoning and some pimento. I've got some stock cubes, or I'm going to be using the gel one. These are chicken ones. I've got some garlic powder, some black pepper, some salt and some bay leaves. And then I've got some basmati rice, what I'm going to be using with this one. So those are our ingredients for today. I've also got a couple of slices of pineapple. So that's our ingredients, what we're going to be using for today. So on my fire I've also got a pot which has just got some water in there and some salt, so I'm going to put that on. Just to bring that to the boil. So that's our other ingredient, and we're also going to be using a little bit of butter as well. Right, also I forgot to show you the duck. This duck has been pre-cooked a little bit, so that's why it looks like that. Just to save a bit of time on the cooking, because you know duck takes a very long time to cook. So we've got our water in our pot, which is coming up to the boil now. So into that I'm going to be putting the sprig of thyme, which is fresh thyme. I'm going to be putting our chopped onions. Also going to be putting our mixed veg. Just going to let that come back up to the boil. Right, we've got our veg and stuff come to the boil, so I'm just going to put some butter in there. Then I'm going to put our pineapple pieces in there. These were 2 pineapple rings, I just chopped them up. Just going to give that a quick stir. Then I'm going to put in our rice. Right, so that's all our rice gone in. Then we're going to just put the cover on this and leave that to cook down while we get on with the duck. We'll show you this in a minute when the water's boiled down. So I've got the duck on the fire. I've put some oil in there. Just waiting for that to heat up a bit. So once that's heated up, then we'll show you the rest of the process. Right, so we've got our water reduced down in our rice. So we're just going to move that to a smaller flame and just put the cover on and just leave it to cook down by itself. So we're just going to move that rice to a smaller flame. We've got our duchy on the fire. Just going to move this to a larger flame because this flame is a bit too slow. So I just moved that to a larger flame. So I'm just going to let this heat up a bit hotter. Right, so we've got our oil to where we want it now. So we're going to put in 2 spoons of curry powder. I'm just going to let that brown off a bit. Actually, I might put in a little bit more. Alright, we don't want this burning, so it's going to turn our fire right down. And that's where we want it. We've just washed our spring onions, so we're going to just chop those and put those in. That's all spring onions gone in. Then we're going to put in our duck, which is already pre-cooked. Give that a good stir in now. I'm going to slice our onion and put that in. That's our onions gone in now. So just giving that a stir. Going to be putting in half of a red pepper. We're going to put in our Scotch Bonnet. So that's our pepper gone in. Everything's coming together nicely now. Going to crush our garlic in there. Our garlic. We're also going to put some of our ginger in there. We're going to give that another stir through. Then we're going to start to add our seasoning, which is all-purpose, paprika and some pimentos. We've got our thyme, a jerk seasoning and flavour enhancer. We've got our salt, black pepper, bay leaves and garlic powder. So that's all our seasoning's gone in. Then we're going to put in some boiling water. Just want to make sure your meat is covered. Then we're going to put in our carrots. I'm going to put these in about 1 inch. If you want them thinner, then do them thinner. These have all been washed already. Now we're going to put in our stock gels. Just going to give that another stir in, just to dissolve the gels. And we've got this on medium to high heat, so you can leave it on that. Right, so I'm just going to give this a quick taste and see what it's like, if it needs anything else. No, that's okay. So we're going to just cover this now and leave it to cook down it by itself. And if you're wondering about where can you get duck, if you look in your shopping centres, you'll see it along with your chicken. It's not cheap, so bear that in mind when you go to purchase it. Right, so we'll leave that there and let it do what it's doing, and then once it's gone down a bit, we'll show you what it looks like. Right, back to our rice. As you can see, it's coming on nicely now. You can see it's nice and fluffy. So how we want it. So we're just going to leave that, let it steam out, and then we'll get back to you and show you the rest of the process. Right everybody, so we've got it boiled down to where we want it now. So as you can see, it's all nicely cooked. We've put in some potatoes in there. You can see our carrots are cooked nice and soft, and our meat, as you can see, it just falls apart. That's how you want it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to plate up a plate and show you what it looks like on the plate with our seasoned rice. Right everybody, so this is it all plated up. We've got our duck, and we've got our seasoned rice, and we've got a little salad. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. If you want to see something done, please let us know. We'll try and see if we can get the ingredients to do it. And we'll see you on the next one. And thanks for watching.